So here, just take it and point it towards us. Now, you gotta watch Mom put it on first.
Okay, I'll rip it from the other way. You are red.
Okay, this is gonna be a weird experiment.
It's not a weird experiment. Yeah, dork.
Gonna be a weird one.
You put a bigger strip on this time.
Here, take your trash.
No, put it back.
Hey.
Put your head up.
Test number 2.
Kirsten, shut up. Ah! Come on, just put it on. Okay. Ah, wait. Okay, which way are we ripping it?
We'll go this way, this side.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Ah! Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Ow!
Alright, that's enough.